Hello, and welcome to this administrative tutorial on creating logins and resetting passwords. When you purchase Q Interactive for your organization, we will set up logins for the admins and allocate licenses to your account. It is the responsibility of those admins to create all of the other users in the account and assign them licenses, and this tutorial will show you how that process works. Administrators will find an admin link at the top of their page, here. Click this, then the Entity Dashboard link to come to the landing page where some of the license details are provided. And at the bottom of the page, we will show any existing users. Looking at my license details, I can see that of the 6 seats I purchased, 3 remain available. Let's create a new practitioner login now. I'll click on the New Users button to bring up the user's details. Let's fill these in now. Under the User Role section, you'll find 3 options. Let's take a closer look at these roles. Administrators have visibility to the administrative functions and are able to view all client data within the account. I'm logged into the account as an admin now. Admin assistants can only access the admin functions. However, they cannot view any client data, including assessment results. Practitioners are the most common user role in the system. They administer tests, access results, but do not have access to the administrative functions. This is the user role I'll select. Let's return to the User Details page and make this role selection now. After establishing what their username will be, I'll now associate the user with a license. If a user is not associated with a license, they will not be able to administer a test. Now, with all fields complete, I'll click the Save button, and an email will be sent right away to that email address. As I've used my own email address here, the email will come to my inbox, and as I go to my email account, here's what that email looks like. There's a lot of great information in the email. When I click the Click Here link, it brings me to a screen where I can now establish what my password will be, and the password must adhere to the requirements shown on screen. Once done, the practitioner is now in the system and can begin to use Q Interactive. I'm going to log out now, and I'm going to go back into my admin account because there's one more thing I want to show you. Should the initial welcome email be caught in a spam filter or junk mail folder, the administrator can resend that email through this Resend button. Once the email has been received and the user has established their password, that button will be replaced with the word Confirmed. Users also have self-service options available to them, and they're found on the login page. Please use these Forgot Username and Forgot Password links as needed. Thank you.